Hi, good afternoon, sir. My name is Parminda Kaur, and today I'll be presenting on my report, which is about how a multinational company in Malaysia uses database system for their HR work. So basically, we look at the introduction part first. These days, big companies have many employees, so they would obviously need a smart way to manage things like hiring, salaries, training, and performance. So, which is why we will emphasize that HR database system is very important for the organization because they help to store all employee data in one system and make HR work faster and easier. So in this project, I have taken Nestle Malaysia, which is a large multinational company, as an example for my report. So the first five main objective of my report would be that first one, to understand how database system actually helps in HR work, and to see how HR uses data to make better decision for their organization. And third is to find out which HR tasks actually benefit the most from the database system, and also to check how these systems actually help to save time, and also to ensure whether does it follows the law or not, and to give suggestion to improve the use of the HR system. So next at here we will move on to the importance of the HR database system. Okay, so let's see like why these HR system are important, especially for these MNC companies. Okay, so first one, I would say that it increases HR efficiency and reduces admin workload. Why we say so? Because tasks like applying for leave or paying salary are done faster and more accurately using this database system. So the second one would be that it enables data-driven decisions through KPIs and analytics. Okay, so why we say so? Because it helps managers to see clearly on the report, which are with graph, KPI, and also the employee performance, and they get to make a better decision for their organization. And the third one is to support legal compliance. Example for EPF, SOXO, and PDPA. So basically, the system keep records of things like their working hours, their leave balance, and so on. And the fourth one would be to empower employees self-service. So actually having this kind of database system will make the employees more independent, where staff can actually log in to apply their leave, check their pay slip, or update their info without directly going to HR, which saves time for both employee and HR. The last one would be integrates HR with other department. So it actually helps to connect one department with another department. So HR system can work with finance and operation to give a full picture of the company easily without any hassle. And next here we'll look at the applications at Nestle Malaysia, the MNC company that I have chosen for my report. So basically they practice in using the SAP Success Factors app, which is a cloud-based human capital management software designed to help organizations manage their workforce and optimize HR processes. It basically provides a range of application for core HR, talent management, workforce analytics, and more, which is all aimed in improving employee experience and driving business success. So basically for recruitment, they use this system to sort job application, schedule interviews, and give feedback. For the payroll part, this system actually helped them to calculate salary deduction and tax based on real-time data. For the performance part, managers get to track their staff KPI and also provide a fair appraisals using the dashboard. And for training, this system shows which courses each employee has completed and what is next for them. And for the self-service part, staff can easily manage their own info, which saves HR time. So next here we'll move on to the findings of it, finding for my report. So the key things I found in my report is that one, central system are very helpful because everything is in one place, so there's no confusion and no missing of data. Second would be real-time data helps quick decisions. So basically, by having this kind of database system, managers can check info anytime, anywhere to decide on promotion, training, or issues. And the third one would be automation, which reduces the errors and legal risk. So basically, less of manual work, which also means fewer mistakes in salary, leave, or performance record. Fourth one would be the data analytics supports talent development. Why we say so? Because HR can use data to identify good performance and provide the right training for them for their future growth in their organization. The last one would be that self-service increases satisfaction. Why we say so? Because employee will feel more in control, and they will have options like they get to manage their own info, and which also directly reduces the waiting time. And the suggestion that I would provide is that first they shall improve the data safety. Basically, they can start by using strong passwords and follow the PDPA law to protect their employee information. And second would be they can actually provide training for their staff. Basically, HR can provide training for both their HR staff and employees to learn how to use all the features of the system. And the third one is to keep the system updated. So basically, they can practice using cloud-based system for better access and smooth operation. And to end it, I would say that I believe HR database systems like SAP SuccessFactors help big companies like Nestle Malaysia manage their staff better, and it will also help to make them work faster, make decisions smarter and faster, and also help them to abide by the law. So that would be it about my report. Thank you, sir.